unlimited hydroplane races, and of course, the friendly people.
Steve David at Heat 1B will drive Pietro's Pizza. It'll be the whole set Miss Mazda. Mike Hansen, the driver. Miss Rock, to be driven by Jack Berry, a former Rookie of the Year. Ron Snyder is in the seat of the Miss Tri-City Automotive Powerboat, and Scott Pierce will drive Mr. Pringles. U.S. West to be driven by Todd Yarling. And now we're starting Heat 1B as they come around corners number 3 and 4 and down for the start, Dick Crippen.
All right, Jim, we look at lane number 1. It is the Jif presents Mr. Pringles. Holset, Miss Mazda. Lane number 2, Pietro's Pizza. Lane 3, Miss Tri-Cities. Lane 4, U.S. West Cellular did not start. Miss Rock is off the pace on the far outside. Going down into the first turn of this course, it is Scott Pierce in the Jif presents Mr. Pringles, trying to close him on the outside. The Holset, Miss Mazda, but he'll have a tough time against that turbine engine.
As that turbine engine of Mr. Pringles for Scott Pierce in the cockpit comes off corner number 2. He's down the back chute. This is a rough course. There is wind, as you know, Tommy Deeth told us a little earlier when he won Heat 1A. The drivers will have to be careful. And Scotty's had his problems earlier in Detroit and Syracuse. They had to put the boat back together.
He gets a little bit loose as he comes into the turn, but he gets it settled back down on the water. Remember, we told you, it's if they hang a little bit over the water. Into the turn now, coming out of it, Scott Pierce, a good job at driving. But, oh, he hit a roller. He's up and over. Scott Pierce, for the 3rd time this year, goes up in the Mr. Pringles, and he comes down right side up. You can see movement inside the canopy. He pops the canopy immediately. Scott Pierce apparently all right. We know he's conscious. He's going to try to get out of it. You can see the Holset Miss Mazda has stopped right on the outside of him there. Rescue boats are on their way.
I don't think that he completely went over. It looks like he rode his tail. He started to. Let's take a look in slow motion. Here's the replay. His right sponsor dips into a hole. He gets airborne. Now starts around as his rudder comes out of the water. He's out of control. He starts to barrel roll with his right sponson high, but look at the left sponson. It digs, stops him from going over, rolls him up on his tail, and slaps him back down to the left. Boy, that's spectacular. The boat has suffered damage. The driver's okay.
In each of the accidents so far this year with the Jif presents Mr. Pringles, Scott Pierce has taken the same basic ride. He has gone over. The sponson has caught him, thrown him back right side up, and propelled him forward. And once again, I think we can credit that capsule with at least saving some injury. We'll be back to more exciting unlimited hydroplane racing action on the Columbia River in just a moment. Welcoming you back to Tri-Cities, Washington, the Columbia River. We continue now with the restart of Heat 1B. Let's take a look at those boats that'll be participating in the restart. The US 146 Pietro's Pizza, driven by Stephen David of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Mike Hansen of Seattle, Washington, in the Holset Miss Mazda. Jack Berry of Washington in the KISW Miss Rock. Ron Snyder of Pickaway, Ohio, in the Miss Tri-Cities. The U.S. West Cellular, Todd Yarling of Hanover, Indiana. All these boats in the restart. In lane number 1, it is the Miss Rock. Lane number 2, Pietro's Pizza. Lane 3, Holset Miss Mazda. Lane 4, Tri-Cities. U.S. West Cellular apparently having trouble one more time. As they come down for the start, it looks like it's going to be the battle of the piston packers as the Holset Miss Mazda tries to take the lead into lane number 1.
And on the outside, it's Ron Snyder who is driving this boat for the very first time, owned by Jerry Shanoff, the automotive powered boat. And he's now being left behind as they dive into corner number 1. And also it looks as though coming off the apex is going to be, and it is, the Holset Miss Mazda. This boat, Dick, was Miss Madison, the Holset Miss Madison. They picked up a sponsor out here on the West Coast. And now our second place boat, as you look at the Pietro's Pizza, comes up on the inside. Steve David in the cockpit.
And to complete a thought on the Holset Miss Madison, which the boat was up until this race, it is still owned by the 13,000 residents of Madison, Indiana, but sponsored for the next couple of races by the Mazda dealers of Puget Sound. There's Mike Hansen's picture, and there's the boat he's driving out on the course now in the restart of Heat 1B. Still the battle persists between Pietro's Pizza on the inside, that's Stephen David of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and Mike Hansen of Seattle, Washington, in the Holset Miss Mazda.
Talking in between the original start of this heat and this restart, Mike said he had a problem. Just as Pringles went over, he almost went over. 110.514 mile an hour for our leader after lap number 1. Holset Miss Mazda, Mike Hansen the driver, as he goes into corner number 2 for the second time.
And watch on the inside, because Pietro's Pizza staying right with him. A good ride for Bob Fendler's boat, which is co-owned by Bob Fendler and Stephen David. There you see Stephen's picture. He is a real estate salesman and, as a matter of fact, head of a large real estate company in the Fort Lauderdale area.
I mentioned that his boat seemed to be faster this week. He said, yes, we're feeding the carburetor pepperoni.
They'll take it with that sponsor. Holset Miss Mazda out in the lead. Back in third place, there's the Miss Tri-Cities, Ron Snyder. He's a veteran driver of many years on the Unlimited and the Limited Hydroplane circuit.
And he won several years ago on this course driving Bernie Little's Miss Budweiser.
This was the course where the Miss Madison debuted this newer version of the boat last year, and Mike Hansen was very, very happy to be able to get the ride this year, but it was Ron Snyder who was driving this boat last year, and this was where he surprised everybody. All of a sudden they said, wow, that boat can really fly. He's just better than 114 miles per hour at this point. The boat is capable of more.
If Ron Snyder had a piece of every uniform he had to wear for every boat or driver or sponsor, he looked like a clown suit.
Well, he certainly is a well-known driver and a reputable one. He handles equipment well. There's a good shot of Stephen David riding in the Pietro's Pizza boat. That boat, as we said, riding much better this week than we've seen it all year. He's now up in second place in this, the restart of Heat 1B. Uh-oh.
Yeah, he had a problem as he went down in the corner number 1 for the first time. He's just floating around. That is Jack Berry in the KISW Miss Rock. He's now a spectator in the infield. As we look at our leader coming off of corner number 4, down to complete another lap, the Holset Miss Mazda, driven by Mike Hansen.
Coming down now for the checkered flag, this boat that is owned by the 13,000 residents of Madison, Indiana, the Holset Miss Mazda, Mike Hansen of Seattle, Washington, the winner of the restart in Heat 1B. So he collects 400 points on the day. Second place goes to Stephen David of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, in Pietro's Pizza. Third place to Ron Snyder of Pickaway, Ohio, in the automobile-powered Miss Tri-Cities. Good racing on the Columbia River.
So we've had Heat 1A and 1B completed right now. Holset Miss Mazda with 400, Pietro's Pizza 300, Tri-Cities gets 225. No points for Miss Rock or West Cellular. Let's go to the pits and Dick.
First heat win in the new boat.
It feels great. It was a long time coming. It's actually been a year since this thing made its debut here last year as a Miss Madison. Now it's a Holset Miss Mazda. Maybe that's a trick for us this time.
Bob, you guys have been through an awful lot, and this was a patch job on this one.
Oh, my. We have a little gratitude to the Budweiser team for jumping in and helping us fix some damage that we had due to that bounce that we took when the Pringles had their accident.
Well,
so we're
and
Ron Jones Marine guys that were here and helping too. So we had a lot of help there.
Well, Mike, you had no second thoughts about the patch underneath the hull. You obviously went out and raced because you had a little bit of a heat in that first lap.
Well, between the Ron Jones team and the Budweiser team and ours, I knew we had a bunch of good guys working on the boat. So I felt the Holset Miss Mazda was going to hang in there. Unfortunately, we didn't have to run real hard to win the heat. So we just needed the 400 points to help us get in the final so we can do it again in the final.
This is the first heat win for this new boat, and we're real pleased.
You're not too happy.
This is where we started last year. We're glad to start with our first heat win here again this year.